Hey guys, my name is Enny and I'm one of the calibrators here at Custom Tunes. And today I want to talk about our tuning procedure, or basically how you can get your car tuned by us.
I was waiting for it to hook. That is sick.
The first step to tune your car with us is to do a readout. The readout is a simple backup procedure of your stock ECU file. That data is used for a few things. One, to be able to return the car back to the original factory settings. Secondly, we also use the data to readjust the tuning options that you're looking for. At the same time, we would offer a simple health check on the car. We do a quick scan to make sure you don't have pre-existing codes or pre-existing problems that could interfere with the tuning process. If we find anything alarming that you should worry about, we would report that to you and advise if you should proceed with the tune or you shouldn't proceed with the tune by getting the problem fixed first before we're able to tune your car. It's always best to tune a healthy car. We have two packages for tuning options, the Stage 1 and the Stage 2. Our Stage 1 tune is designed for someone that's looking to gain some horsepower and some torque without having to change any performance parts in the car. In our Stage 1 option, we only allow you to add one custom mapping option. An example of a custom mapping option can be pop and bang, rev limiter off, VMAX, verbal tune, launch control, two-step, anti-lag. Those are all examples of custom mapping options. In some cases, you might see a Stage 1 customer actually having some basic parts in the car, like a cold air intake. Stage 2. Our Stage 2 tune is designed for someone that's looking to gain some horsepower and some torque, that has done some performance modifications to the car, using those performance parts to enhance the tuning and the power output of the car. In our Stage 2 option, we allow you to add 2 to 3 custom mapping options because we expect you to have some sort of performance parts on the car. Let's talk about some examples of some performance parts that you can use on a Stage 2 tune. A cold air intake, a downpipe, a charge pipe, an intercooler. Those are basic parts that you can use for a Stage 2 tune. Some people ask about our Stage 3 setups. We do have some Stage 3 setups that are only available by special request. Please keep in mind, Stage 3 setups usually would require some sort of forced induction on the car, like a turbocharger upgrade or a supercharger upgrade. It is a little bit harder to remote tune Stage 3 setups as we will need a dyno, or preferably proper login tools and login to be able to actually help with the proper tuning of your car. How do we provide remote tuning in North America? We have two ways our remote tuning work, through our dealer network and through our shipping method. The first way is through our dealer network. We have a couple dealers all over North America. You can request for a list of the dealers and you can find who is closest to you. That allows us to remote tune through the dealer. It can be a shop or it can be an individual that has our remote tools. Our dealer network consists of trained individuals and shops that we've trained on the reading and writing process to tune your car. For locations or customers that don't have a dealer close by, we do offer a shipping service where we ship you our tool to help you flash your car. Don't you worry, it's just gonna be like we're there because we'll be on the phone and through the computer every single step through your tuning process. After the tune is done, you will be sent a return shipping label to return the tool back to us. In the case you don't want to use our tool shipping method, you can always send your ECUs to us. We can get them tuned or send it to the closest dealer. We can get them tuned and ship it back to you. The readout can be done in various methods. We got the OBD, we got the bench, and we got the boot. Not every car can be flashed through OBD because of some factory locked situations. Some cars would require the ECU to be pulled out of the car to be benched to get a full backup before we can actually tune the car. In the case your car cannot be tuned via OBD, we recommend taking out the ECU, shipping it to the nearest dealer to get it tuned and sent back to you. The safest way to tune your car is always by getting a full backup. So if you can get a bench backup of your car, I recommend doing that before we tune the car. It's important to know that tuning is a process and it does take some time to properly calibrate a car. Power gains, which is the big question. Power gains are completely determined by the engine factor and performance parts that are put into the car. With proper data login, we're able to provide you with the best possible tune as possible. Please keep in mind, some tuning options are made to be used for off-road use and racing only. Keep an eye out for a couple promos that go on. We offer our interest-free payment plans that lets you purchase your tune in 4 equal payments, for example, with Afterpay. We also have some financing options for your automotive build and automotive repair. And in whatever dealer location that you're looking for, don't hesitate to give us a call. In the next video, I'm gonna walk you through our tuning options and explain what each tuning option does to the car.
Custom tunes, tuning tailored to your desires.